That's kind of unique. We went to a job way out in the woods, and the guy put screws in every third joist, floor joist, on his deck. Big deck too. And he had all these pine trees he was really proud of. Frost came through, that ice storm brought those pine trees down all over his property. Couldn't even get out of there.
That's going with no respect to no trees.
No, I went outside at night and I could just hear it sound like a firecracker going off or a gunshot going off every 10 seconds.
See, over there at ours, it was from 1 o'clock to 8 o'clock.
Never quit. Yeah, it took us, me and the neighbors and a tractor and 2 chainsaws, 6 of us, over an hour and a half to cut all the trees off the main road so we could get out.
So there was me and a guy and his wife. We cut them for about a mile.
That's what we did. We're going uphill.
We cut one, pulled the truck forward, cut one up, pulled the truck forward.
We were pushing them off with the tractor, so we have a lot of trees across there. It's Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Ameri-cants, we're Ameri-cants. See you next time.